Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're talking about how to eat well when you just don't feel like it. It's a common struggle, but don't worry. We all go through those times in life where finding the energy to cook a healthy meal feels impossible. Maybe you're tired, stressed, or just not in the mood. But you know what? It's okay. We've got this. Together, we can make it work. We're going to dive into some really practical, really doable ideas to help make healthy eating as easy as possible. No fancy recipes, just simple steps. So let's get started with our new video, How to Eat Well When You're Unmotivated. Grab your ingredients and let's cook together. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to plan ahead and cook in bulk when you do have the energy. This simple habit can save you so much time and stress in the future. Think of it as a thoughtful gift from your past self to your future self. When you're feeling good, take advantage of that energy. Whip up a big pot of soup, a hearty casserole, or even double that quinoa recipe. Let it cool, portion it out, and pop those meals into the freezer. This way, you always have a healthy homemade meal ready to go. Then, on those days when you can barely think straight or just don't have the energy to cook, you can simply heat up one of your pre-prepared meals and enjoy a nutritious, delicious dish without any hassle. Now, let's talk about those times when even the thought of turning on the stove feels exhausting. That's when you embrace the art of no-cook meals. Think about it. A big, beautiful salad with pre-chopped veggies, some canned tuna or salmon, a handful of nuts, and a light vinaigrette. The key is to have these items readily available in your fridge so you can grab and go. You know I love embracing technology, and grocery delivery services are a godsend on those low-energy days. You can literally order everything you need from the comfort of your couch. No need to even put on pants. Try scheduling a recurring delivery for things you know you'll always need, like fresh produce, eggs, or milk. Blender bliss, smoothies, and soups to the rescue. When it comes to getting a nutritious meal or snack with minimal effort, a blender is your best friend. Smoothies are a classic for a reason. You can pack in so much goodness in just a few minutes. Don't forget about soups. You can find tons of delicious and healthy soup recipes that can be made entirely in a blender. Crockpot confidence. Set it and forget it. The beauty of crockpot cooking is that it's practically foolproof. You literally just throw all the ingredients in, set the timer, and walk away. You often end up with leftovers for days, which means less cooking for you later in the week. Love your leftovers. Tomorrow's meal, today. Whenever you do cook, try to make a little extra. Leftovers make for an incredibly easy lunch or dinner the next day. Just pop them in the microwave or oven, and you've got a home-cooked meal ready in minutes. Befriend the freezer, your secret weapon for easy meals. Let's talk about the incredible power of frozen foods. Keep a variety on hand for smoothies, soups, or quick stir-fries. Frozen fish fillets, chicken breasts, or even veggie burgers can be lifesavers on busy weeknights. They save time and effort. Simple saviors. Quick and easy meals for busy days. A classic omelet is a perfect example. You can whip one up in just a few minutes with whatever veggies and cheese you have on hand. And let's not forget about good old baked beans on toast. It's a classic comfort food that's packed with protein and fiber. Outrow, you've got this. So there you have it, my friends. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. It's not about perfection, but about making consistent, positive choices. 8 practical and doable tips to help you eat well even when you're feeling unmotivated. These tips are designed to fit into your busy life, making it easier to stay on track. The most important thing is to listen to your body, be kind to yourself, and make choices that nourish both your body and your mind. Take time to enjoy your meals and appreciate the effort you put into taking care of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice on healthy living. Your support helps us create more content that can make a difference in your life. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your go-to meals are when you're feeling unmotivated. Sharing your ideas can inspire others in our community. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself. Remember, your health journey is unique, and every effort you make is worth it. Stay positive and keep moving forward.